In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure the length of a polyline in AutoCAD. Whether you're drafting up plans for a construction project or simply updating existing designs, knowing how to quickly and accurately measure a polyline's length is crucial. Today, I'll walk you through two straightforward methods to achieve this. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by selecting the polyline you need to measure. Once you've clicked on the polyline, direct your attention to the command line, which is typically located at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. Here, you'll want to type the word list, just as you would on a blank sheet of paper, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. By doing this, AutoCAD automatically generates a list of details pertaining to your selected polyline. Amongst this detailed rundown, you'll find the length of the polyline. This method is quite efficient, especially when you're dealing with specific polylines and need detailed information about that selection. But let's not stop there. I've got another method to share with you. This approach is equally beneficial, particularly if you prefer viewing the properties in a more visual format. Again, you start by selecting the polyline. With the polyline selected, head back to the command line. This time, type in Properties and hit the Enter key. The Properties panel will appear, and here you'll find a host of information related to your polyline. What you're specifically looking for is the length, which should be readily visible. This panel not only provides the polyline's length, but also offers other useful data like the layer the polyline is on, its color and line type, which can be advantageous if you're making broader edits to your design. Between these two methods, you'll find that measuring a polyline's length is a breeze, giving you the flexibility to choose the method that best suits your workflow and preference. The beauty of AutoCAD is its versatility and ability to cater to different styles of work, whether you're more command line oriented or prefer a graphical interface. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your measurements are precise and up to date, making your overall drafting process in AutoCAD more efficient and effective. Mastering these techniques will undoubtedly streamline your workflow. So, whether you're working on complex designs or simple layouts, you'll be well equipped to handle polyline measurements with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has helped you become more proficient in using AutoCAD. Be sure to stay connected for more tips and tutorials to enhance your design skills.